Hi guys, Carl here from KJD Photography. I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. It's been quite a sweltering time in Gauteng here in Joburg, Randburg area. This heat wave has been quite something, but hopefully the rain is on its way and we can all cool down a bit. So the reason for this video, as I've mentioned before, and I think you may have seen posts on social media, we're looking to actually start putting out some video content from recorded shows, live streams and everything else like that. So we needed a couple of things in place. We needed to get a couple of tools into studio so we can actually give you guys some great content and make it easier for us to get that content out to you. So Timbre Broadcast Systems actually sent us through a package this morning, the ATEM Mini Pro. So this is the bad boy that we're going to be using to do all our recordings and streaming and everything, which for such a small little package, this thing punches some power that you can actually really start doing broadcasting out on the web, streaming and doing recordings. So literally I'm just going to read a couple of things off the side here. Live stream via Ethernet, so it actually has a built-in streaming engine into this unit. You can also record to flash disks from this unit as well. So if you actually had an external drive or a flash disk or whatever, or any sort of USB stuff, you can actually output and record to that, which is also awesome. Then, so you can connect up to 4 cameras on this unit. So it's quite a number of cameras you can hook up. It's got your 4 HDMI ports into the back, 1 HDMI out, USB out, and also the 2 microphones as well, which is also handy because if you're doing an interview or something and you've got 2 microphones set up, one for the person you're interviewing and also for the host himself, then you can do that with ease as well. So you'll see Timbre Broadcast Systems stuff in the banner below. Go and have a look at their Facebook, their Instagram, and even go to their website and see what other great awesome products they actually have online. So let me get and unbox this thing. Thanks again, Timbre Broadcast Systems. There you go. Okay. So what do we have here? So we have a welcome Blackmagic design card where you can download the manuals, online manual, latest software, and you can learn more. So it's an information card. And we've also got DaVinci Resolve 18, so we've actually got this on our machines. And professional training, get a free professional training by watching the DaVinci Resolve tutorial videos. So there's a couple of good things in there. And then we have also a sticker, which is cool. Alright, so inside the top of the box, obviously we have the power adapter. Now the power adapter comes with the attachments where you can slip in whatever your power adapter is. This is the one we use in South Africa, so literally, so that slips inside there, and then you've got your power adapter, which is cool. And then you obviously have stuff for the US, for Europe, and all the other places in the world that may need that. So there's your power. Then we have the machine itself. So literally this is the, and you can see that it's quite compact, quite small, but it has a lot of power and functionality. Just gonna move the box out the way. So here it is. So this is the actual machine, and as I mentioned earlier, it has your Ethernet port, and it has your USB, has your HDMI out. Then you've got your 4 ports for your cameras and your 2 microphone imports. So you can actually control your microphones on the top section here. You can control your cameras and stuff actually with your control there. And literally you got your transitions, your effects, and then you got your video out stuff. So you want to put 1, 2 live. You can stop recording, and they also tell you that you're on air and everything else. So it is quite a nice little machine. I can't wait to start using it. So that is what you get in your box, and obviously all your little cards and stickers and stuff, which is cool. So to get these, you can go to Timbre Broadcast Systems and pick yourself up some awesome products there. They've got everything from cameras to these small units right the way up. They even make custom casing and stuff for the units. Have a look at their website, have a look at their social media. You'll see the stuff in the block below, and I'm looking forward to starting with this. And there's going to be some real cool content that we're going to be pushing out across Facebook and YouTube, and also Instagram. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Hope you enjoyed this video, and then I'll do a more sort of in detailed video of the unit once I've actually started playing around and seeing what this unit can actually do and push out. Thanks again. Cheers for now. Bye.